Now let me pin it down some. To up close and personal, we have mittens. My mittens. They're mommy big girl. They're mommy big girl. There's mommy mittens. Hi, so pretty. Alright, y'all, I just have a quick little travel haul. And when I say quick, it's quick and small. But I've been meaning to show you guys this. I ordered these from eBay. As y'all know, I'm going to Dominican Republic on a cruise. And I tend to overpack. So I was told if I get some packing cubes that maybe I won't overpack. Like, I've been wanting these. I've researched them. I've seen YouTube videos on how to use them. So I'm just opening her up. This from eBay. And I love that it comes in a Ziploc bag like this. I thought it was so cute. They have so many different prints that you can choose from. But I decided on the flower print. So I'm going to just pull it out how it comes. It just comes like this. And it comes in this bag, which is one of the bags that you're going to use. And I don't think it said anything. I wanted to know if it said anything like which bag is for what. I guess you just have to figure it out and figure out what's going to work for what. And I thought this was so cute that it says travel season on here on these little zippers. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says travel season. Focus, focus, focus. Y'all see it. And mittens. She is so cute. And it just zips all the way. So one is a laundry bag. I think this bigger, the biggest one, I believe this one is for your actual clothing. I'm not sure. But this big one right here, this is how this goes. So you probably can fit like pants and dresses, jeans, or anything like that in here. And it says travel season, travel. Travel with travel season is always diving into the different and new world. Okay, so the name of this brand is Travel Season. I thought it was just trying to be cute, like saying there's travel season because you're getting this. I don't know if y'all can see what y'all picking up, but that's what it says. Oh, I just messed up the lighting. Come back, come back, come back. Okay. Alright, so if y'all want to see a video on how I'm going to actually pack my stuff in the packing cubes, comment below and let me know that y'all want to see that video. On I know y'all like my packing videos, so let me know if y'all want to see me pack with the packing cubes. I'll get all my outfits out that I tend to take, that I plan on taking, and I will show you guys. Now this little one, of course, this won't be for like your toiletries. It says secret pouch travel season. Yep, so this will be like for your toiletries and everything. And it just unzips like so. And definitely need this. You probably can put makeup, pads, tampons, all different kinds of stuff, I guess. And this one, this is a secret pouch also. This is a bigger one that you probably can fit more like secret stuff. Maybe you could put your like panties in here, I guess. You know, some people don't like the word panties. Some people do not like that word, panties. Okay, so the next one is this one. This is a bigger one. I wonder if they all say secret pouch. This is a bigger one. So you probably can fit your bras in here. I told my mom probably can fit my bras in here. She was like, no, your bras will probably be for that big one. My bras alone would take off my damn suitcase. That was the problem right there. The next one, I love this one because it hangs on the door. So I believe this one is for the dirty laundry. I believe this is your laundry bag. It hangs on the door and it zips like this. And this is perfect for like a cruise because you know on a cruise it's such a tight space. So you need something to hang. So you need to find anything that hangs and hang it on the door because it's such a tight space. Y'all know whenever I say tight space for the cruise, I gotta say it's such a tight space. and everything have their little logo, which I think is so cool. I'm so like fond of a nice delivery, like packaging and all that stuff. So yeah, this is so cute. I love this flower print. The next one, and then I was gonna count them, but I guess y'all keeping up. This one is another pouch, so this is not a secret one. So this one probably can be for like your tops, like camis and stuff like this, or shirts. I'm gonna make this work. A lot of people say they're not really plus size friendly, but I do the roller method anyway, so I think we're gonna work this out. And like those little pouches also can be for like socks and things. I didn't think of that, so. But yeah, so cute. And these are all, this is stuff, these are waterproof also. Look at her giving her stuff up there. These are waterproof. And this is the last one. This is a smaller one. So, zips like this. They all zip all around like that. Just like a suitcase will. And they fill up really well. You probably think they wouldn't, but they do. And this actually hangs too. And that's good that I think maybe all these hang up. That when I get to the cruise, I probably can like hang these up. Yeah, mostly all these hang. I like that. They all have a handle. I thought it was just the one. Of course, these don't have the handle, but all the other ones have a handle. I wonder if this big one do. Mittens. I hate when my cats clean themselves on camera. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I paid $15 for these. I'm not sure. Of course, you know, with eBay and Amazon, you never have receipts because it's online. I believe I paid $15 for 7 travel. Oh, that looks cute. That's a cute thumbnail. I paid $15 for 7 travel cubes. Now I forgot what they call. Packing cubes. Packing cubes. The travel, I'm looking at the travel, that's what sidetracked me. Yep, 7 travel cubes. Okay. Yeah, so I have something else. I was kind of skeptic about showing you guys this, but I guess I'll show y'all. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I didn't want to tell everybody my little secrets, but I found out about this on YouTube, so why not share? I guess I'll share it with you guys. Okay. So, my first cruise was in 2016, as you guys may know, because I filmed it. It's on YouTube, so go back and check out my cruise from 2016. And then my last cruise was it this year? It was March 2018 for my birthday. So, I've been on 2 cruises. I went to the Bahamas, and the last one I went to Mexico, and now I'm going to the Dominican Republic. And each time I've been on the cruise, I've taken these. I'm going to open them up and let you guys see. These are, they sell them on Amazon, eBay. They're, let me get it out. They're like, you can actually take these to concerts. They go in your purse. They are non-detectable. Non-detectable. I haven't, thank God, I haven't had a problem since I've been taking these. In every YouTube video, I've never seen anybody have a problem with it. But I always said, like, why are you feminine? Why are you feminine? 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 Why are you filming it? You're going to tell a secret, like, people going to start knowing, but I never heard anything. But this is Booze for Cruise. They call it, store your booze and all different kinds of stuff. Some of them come with 5, some of them come with 7, some of them come with 10. And what you do is you just put your liquor in here. Of course, I buy liquor on a cruise also, but it tend to get expensive. You're on a 5-day cruise or more. And they have that, what is it? On a cruise, they have that, the beverage package, the liquor package they have is like $55 each day that you're on a cruise, and whoever you're rooming with, they have to get that same package too. So that is way too much money, and it's not worth it. I mean, if you are a big drinker that you know that you're going to use it up like that, and you need liquor like that, I mean, get it. But I don't think I would ever get that. It's not worth it. Just buy the drinks like you would buy at a club. They're actually cheaper, I think, at a club. I mean, they're actually cheaper on a cruise than a club. And it's a nice amount of liquor that they give you. Nice size. But, like, for the room and stuff, drinking before you leave and just having fun in the room, I take these. All you do is put the liquor in there, fill it about halfway here. I might show y'all a video of how I pour it in here. And it comes with, like, a little flask. A little funnel that you can stick in here. So you won't waste it. And you just roll it up. Well, you wouldn't roll it like, yeah, you roll it up. And then store it. Like in your pants. It's good to store it like in jeans. And just roll it up and stack it like in the middle. And add stuff to it. And it's not acceptable. Because I mean, when they open your bags, they're not going to pull everything out. You know how many people is flying? Like how many people bags they got to go through? They just going to skim through it. They don't see any weapons or anything. They're not worried about it. And it's not like you're going to get kicked. Say if you get caught, you're not going to get kicked off the cruise. All they're going to do is put a little note in your bag telling you that your liquor has been confiscated. That's all. They're just going to put a note in your bag that they took it. And I mean, I paid like, what, $10 for these? I mean, that's what you're going to lose. And I mean, you're going to lose your liquor. But you're not going to get kicked off the cruise. You're not going to waste all your money that you paid for the cruise and get kicked off. That's all they're going to do. So these are the old ones that I have. I ordered these from eBay or Amazon last year, I believe. I mean, not last year, 2016. And it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I had more, but one did bust. It had like a little hole in it. But it's because I had it for a while, and I guess the way it was. But I reused these. I wash them out. I had these since 2016, and they're still good. So I will be taking these, and I'm about to show y'all the new ones that I just bought from eBay also. Or Amazon, one of them. I always get eBay and Amazon mixed up when I buy stuff, because if Amazon don't have one thing, I go to eBay. If eBay don't have something, I go to Amazon. So they're like hand in hand with me. Alright, that's too much noise. I'll put this away later. So this is the one that I bought. So it says Hide Your Booze Flask Kits. That's what they are. They're Flask kits. So it says Hide Your Booze Flask Kits. 2 sets. Wash flask with soapy water, rinse thoroughly, inflate flask with a puff of air, turn upside down with cap off, and let air dry. Well, I never did that. I washed them, but I never put air in and all that. See? Use funnel to fill the flask to no more than 85% of its capacity. Because if not, it's not going to fold. You want to be able to fold it, and you don't want it to bust. I never had any leakages or anything like that. It never leaked in my bag. With my clothes, that's the first thing I was scared of when I first tried it. I thought it was going to leak. I never had those problems. Nothing ever leaked. Thank God. And never any holes. You just fold it. You don't want too much liquor in it. Just halfway or as much as you can. And as you do it, keep on opening it up and letting air out so you can fold it and hide it, because you don't want it really puffy and obvious, basically. And it says hold the flask with the spout up and squeeze to the expel air until liquid is in spout. Twist the cap as tight as possible to avoid leakage. Do not fill with carbonated beverages. And this is how it looks. This is the back of it. And I believe I did get this from eBay. Or maybe it was Amazon. I don't know. But that's what it says. And it comes in this package. I hope I don't get caught by telling my secrets on here. But that's how I learned. I mean, whenever you're going on a cruise or wherever you're going, you always want to do your research before you go anywhere. Especially if you're traveling out of the country. You research on YouTube or wherever you can find stuff. You want to research all the excursions, like what's the fun things to do. You don't want to just go anywhere like blind, basically. Or some people do. I mean, for the experience, they probably just want to learn on their own. But I love to do my research. You want to know, you want to expect, you want to know what to expect. You don't want the unknown coming. So when I Googled this and saw this on YouTube, I've seen so many videos and everyone gave me some good ideas. I mean, all the videos were good. So this one comes with the little funnel, like I said. And it says, I think it says your senses. I don't know. Purify your senses, I think it says. And this is the funnel. And it comes with one baby one. That's one. And it comes with another baby one. That's two. Y'all know I love miniature stuff. A medium size, 3. Another medium size, 4. And then a big mama jamma, 5, 6. So I got 6. So I got this plus those. So, yeah. Not all is going to my suitcase, though. I want to put the other one in my mom's case. But I think I shared enough. I'm kind of skeptic about telling you my little secrets, but I love you guys, and I want you guys to know, and everyone that's watching, but I hope I don't get caught. I mean, a lot of people say this might be bad. A lot of people probably say you cheat. Why you doing it? Like, come on. You gonna pay for it? Like, it's not like I'm being cheap and not buying the drinks as well. Oh, I've spent money on drinks while I'm there. Trust me. But if I can get my little liquor in on the side, like while I'm in the room and stuff, because I'm like a concoctionist. Like, I'm like the best drinks. I love having my drinks. I don't care. No bartender can make a drink like I do. So I like making my own drinks and stuff, having fun in the room, having it in my little cup. Oh, and another thing. You can actually take these out with you. No, I'm not even going to tell y'all all that because don't hold me on that. I don't want anybody getting in trouble. All right, I shared enough. But I make good drinks and I want to have fun with these drinks and plus mine. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope, don't come for me in the comments, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope someone learned something. And let me know if y'all want to see that packing video. And if y'all want to see how I pour the liquor in these flask kits. Let me know in the comments. Please like my video if y'all liked it, if y'all enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Videos gonna be coming back to back, back to back, back to back. Not every day, but back to back, back to back, back to back. Is that every day? But not every day. What I was saying. Oh, share this video on all your social media so someone else can get some information. And leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. And till next time. Love you guys. Ciao. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.